Explanation time. All of you will listen. You will not unmute now. Okay, all right. So everybody, please look at here. Today we are going to learn about the topic algebra. Today we will learn about algebraic expression. In the algebraic expression, first of all, we should know about you all know the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, like these numbers, and you know the letters like X, Y, Z. Okay, and especially these numbers which have fixed value are called constant terms, constant terms, and the letters which may have different value, not fixed value, these are called variables. Variables. And there are other letters also like A, B, C, D, like these letters. These letters are generally used as the constant with fixed value. Okay, and if we combine these constant and variables, a term is formed. Like maybe single, like if we take this constant number only, then we call it constant term, and if we take a letter only, then we call it variable term. Okay, like x, maybe x plus 1, maybe x minus 1 or minus 2, maybe x into 2, that is we write 2x, or maybe x by 2 or x by 3 or whatever number we take. Okay, for the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. With these four operations, we form the algebraic terms. I think all of you are listening. Please keep on listening. So,
Yes, sir.
so terms of algebraic expressions. These are the okay, combination of the constant, constants and variables by the operations of addition, plus, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Like this, we find the term of the algebraic expression. Such a combination is called the terms of algebraic expression. I think you are understanding this. And you see, actually, wait for a while. Please keep on listening for a while. Yes, this is the algebraic expression. It means when we combine the constant and the variables, we get algebraic expression. This combination is called algebraic expression. Wait, please for a while. Yes, and see, here is only one term. What we consider is if the variables or the constants. Someone was asking about constant. Yes, constant means the numbers which have fixed value, and the letters which may have different values are called the variables. Who had asked me, please? Who had asked me? कसले सोध्नु भएको थियो अघि? Okay, anyway, thank you. And the combination of the constants and variables, okay, can be of different types. Like you see here, we can see only the variable. Here is no separation by plus and minus, so we can say that it has only one term. One term. Here are two terms. What we consider is if the letters and the numbers, or maybe letters and letters are, okay, letters and numbers, or letters and letters, variables and variables, if they are separated with plus or minus symbol, addition and subtraction or subtraction symbol, what we consider, they are the separate terms. They have separate existence, so that they are considered as the separate terms. So this is one expression, algebraic expression, okay, which has two terms. How many terms? Two terms, but it has only one term. But what we consider is, if there is the combination of the constant and variable with multiply sign or the divide sign, what we consider is this has only one term. So this also has only one term. Like this, you have to remember, okay, these are under the consideration. Okay, under the consideration only. If the letters and numbers are separated with plus or minus, then only we consider that these are the separate terms. So this is an algebraic expression, combination of the constant and variable, and since they are separated with plus or minus, we can say that there are two terms. So this is also the algebraic expression which has only one term, and these are also the algebraic expressions which have two terms, and these are also the algebraic expressions with only one term. Okay, now discussion session, please, carefully, and then we will have discussion again. Now everybody, you see the algebraic expressions we already discussed. Maybe, yes, we are talking about the terms of the algebraic expression. This has only one term. If we write 2x, combination of the constant and variable, but here is no plus minus symbol. No plus minus symbol. Wait, please, I will pick up the phone. Our vice principal sir has called here, okay? हजुर सर, नमस्ते सर. हजुर सर, सर क्लास अहिले क्लास भइरहेछ सर. अघि प्रब्लम भएको थियो, मैले फोन गरे हो सर. हस् हस् है सर, हस्. ए हस् हस् हस्, थ्याङ्क यू सर. हस्. ओके, yes. So yes, everybody, please see here. This also has only one term. This also has only one term. Or maybe x by 2, or maybe we can use y by 3, like that also. Or maybe like x, y, z. Okay, there is no separation by plus or minus. Okay, so we consider that these all the expressions have only one term. This also has one term. This also has one term. This one term, one term. And on the basis of name of the algebraic expression, okay, we can say type of the algebraic expression, okay, and number of terms we write here in each algebraic expression. This is the example. Yes, example. So all the algebraic expressions have only one term. So such algebraic expressions are called monomial algebraic expressions. Similarly, if there are two terms, you know how to separate the terms. Terms are separated with plus or minus. We will have discussion after a while. Please keep on listening now. Maybe x minus 3, maybe x plus y, like this. Okay, and very clearly we can see there are two terms in each algebraic expression. Such algebraic expressions are given a special name, another special name, that is binomial algebraic expression. Similarly, if there are three terms, maybe like this, x plus y plus 5, maybe x plus y minus z, whatever. Okay, but clearly we can see there are three terms. They are called trinomial algebraic expression. And similarly, there can be more than three terms. Like this, we can create one example, x plus y plus z minus 3. Yes, or maybe like this, x power also may be different, x square plus y cube plus z power 5 plus 2x plus 3y minus 7, like whatever. It means if there are more than three terms, maybe 3, 4 terms, 5, 6, 7, or maybe 100 terms, 1000 terms, yes, more than 3 terms, then such algebraic expressions are called as multinomial. Here monomials. Mono means only one single. Okay, bi means two, nomial means terms, two terms. Tri means three, or trinomial we can say. Nomial means terms. Like this also we can remember. Okay, I think you are understanding this. Now we will have discussion session. Everybody please unmute. Yes, everybody please see. This is the classification of algebraic expression on the basis of number of terms. Number of terms. One term. Yes, everybody please, discussion session. Okay, if here is only one term, then what we call, everybody speaks please.
Monomial.
Yes, very good. If two terms, then what we call?
Binomial.
Three terms, then what we call?
Trinomial.
Very good. If more than three terms, then what we call?
Multinomial.
Very good.
Multinomial.
Now, if you have any confusion, you can ask. So, Menuka, please. Wait, please. Menuka, see, here are many examples of monomial expression. Yes, with only one term. Yes. Can you give one more example of the monomial expression? Others, please keep on thinking. Okay, others keep on thinking. Your turn comes. I'll ask you also. Now, Menuka, please say.
Sir,
You think now. If I write
3x.
You are telling 3x. Yes? What do you think, other guys? Hello, others. Everybody has to
5x.
video.
5x.
2x.
She is telling one example, 3x, monomial expression. This is right or not? What do you think?
Right,
Sir.
Right.
Sir.
Yes. Now everybody gives one example. Please speak, everyone.
Y by 3. Y by 3.
5x. Y.
Yes.
Y by 3.
Yes.
ABC. Y.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, Now I want to tell you one thing, please. If here is okay, instead of this, okay, if we take x square, then it will be monomial or not? What do you think?
No. Yes.
Please think.
Yes.
Yes, sir. No, sir,
Yes,
no.
sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me. Is here separation by plus or minus?
टर्म्स होइन कि नम्बर टर्म्स होइन कि 1 2 3 होइन
Yes. Is there separation by plus minus or not? Can you tell me? No separation. So how many terms can you see here? Please tell me.
One term.
If there
One
is
term.
one term, then what we call
One
it?
term.
If
Monomial.
Monomial.
Very good. Now tell me, this is monomial or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. X to the power 100. What do you think? This is the monomial or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Monomial.
Yes.
There's one term.
Similarly, I will tell you x power 2, y power 3, z power 5. What do you think about it? This is the monomial or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. It is very simple. You are clear. Yes. You are very much clear that to know about on the basis of the number of terms, it's monomial, binomial, trinomial, and multinomial, because only we see whether the terms are separated with plus or minus. Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Service, please try to give
X plus Z.
one more example of binomial. Yes, very good. X plus Z. Good try. Now I ask other guys. Hello guys, what do you think? This example is correct or not? What do you think?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, correct.
Yes. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ah, yes.
Yes, sir.
Divas,
Yes, sir.
this is correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How do you think that this is correct? This is the example of binomial. How do you think?
Sir, because there is plus. Plus in the middle.
Plus sign.
Yes, there is plus in the middle, so that
But
we can,
because there is two terms.
yes, we can say that here are two terms. If there are two terms, then we call it binomial. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Who had given this example? Who had given? Service?
Yes,
Service. Hello, Service. Very good. Well, everybody, clap. Come on.
thank you, sir.
Yes. Well, see, if here is x only, it means 1x. And similarly, x square. 2x are multiplied here, power is 2. Here is no power, it means obviously we consider that there is power 1. And here is power 2. And here is power 3. Here power 4, like this. Okay. These powers are normally taken as degree. I think you can understand me. These powers are normally generally called as degree of the algebraic expression. Okay. So if the power is